Today's video is about a very nice, useful concept for all of you. If you look at successful people, they are the people who look at life in a bigger way, not a smaller way. So they look at the smaller pain which will create a bigger gain in the future. People who are afraid of the smaller pain can never achieve bigger gains in the future. You take an example where you are selling insurance policies, let us say, and you know one customer, you got a lead to actually approach one particular customer. And it's a very difficult customer. Now, most probably you may not get it, but you put your effort, prepare well, have all the questions ready and is ready to his probable questions and go and actually pitch it to him. That means actually tell him about your insurance policies. And after a lot of questioning you, he may finally give you the policy. He may give you a big 1 crore policy or 10 crore policy. That means what you could have done with 10 customers, you get it from this one customer. You know what happened? The smaller pain gave you a very bigger gain. That's what will happen. If you look at a doctor who's doing excellent operations, he's a great surgeon. What did he do? When others were enjoying probably in the canteen or actually faking their education and not studying properly, he's the person who's gone to the library and learnt it more deeper. Instead of watching television serial, probably he would have listened and learned the latest technique in surgery which was invented maybe in Germany or France. What is he doing? He's actually looking at the bigger gain. In front of that, the smaller pain is very, very small. Look at somebody who wants to become trim and fit and healthy. And going to the gym, going for a walk, eating a diet is very painful initially, but he is looking at the bigger gain. The bigger gain is if he is going to be fit, slim and healthy, there are so many benefits he is going to get. He is going to be healthier, he is going to be an example for the family, he is going to be more confident, he or she, and imagine what opportunities they may actually get in their life. Similarly, if your company is about to give you some training, I've seen people who complain about there's a training going on, where technical training or soft skills training, they will say Amma training and all. But if they understand for this smaller pain, there's a huge bigger gain in the future. That's why nowadays after COVID, people are doing upskilling or reskilling. When you do upskilling, reskilling, it's not easy. Some people, they restudy at 60 years also, they actually study. They restudy again. Why are they doing it? Because they're looking at the bigger gain. In front of the bigger gain, the smaller pain is very, very minute. So my dear diamonds, if you want to be a real diamond in your zindagi, keep this in mind. Go for the bigger gain and don't worry about the smaller pains in life.